Hey guys, today at State 8 Motorcycles, we're showing off this used 2023 Honda Fury in pearl yellow with only 25 miles. 1,312cc liquid-cooled V-twin with fuel injection. This engine provides smooth, reliable power, and at 45 miles per gallon, you won't be stopping for gas as much as you'd think on a bike this aggressive. With a 38-degree rake and 71-inch wheelbase, this bike commands every road it's on before you even twist the throttle. This bike has a skinny R21 Dunlop tire in the front and a wide R18 in the back, and it has ABS. The 26.9-inch seat height puts you flat-footed without giving up an ounce of the look. Like I said before, this bike only has 25 miles on it and it won't be here for long. If you're interested in this bike or other bikes like it, come visit us at State 8 Motorcycles in Cuyahoga Falls.